When it comes to quality control in industries like electronics, barcode reading, or other conveyor belt operations, automated vision systems are essential. And with growing complexity of manufacturing, flexible yet fast and reliable solutions are required. Optotune's tunable liquid lenses are the perfect solution, scanning objects at different distances quickly and reliably, overcoming the limitations of traditional vision systems. Motorized optics and multiple camera setups often fall short. They're bulky, slow, and expensive. That makes them impractical for applications that demand speed and seamless integration. Optotune's tunable liquid lenses are inspired by the human eye, but they're much faster. They consist of a solid container filled with optical fluid covered by a flexible polymer membrane. The position of a tuning ring on top is controlled by an electromagnet, which changes the membrane's shape, adjusting the lens's optical power in real time. This simple yet ingenious design of Optotune lenses enables a large optical power range with a practically infinite amount of focus planes. Frictionless tuning mechanism allows the lens to adjust focus in a few milliseconds, depending on its size. The optical power setting is accurate to 0.02 diopters, ensuring consistent and reliable performance. Fewer mechanical parts mean greater durability, with a lifespan exceeding 1 billion focus cycles. Encased in durable housing, they perform reliably even in extreme temperatures and harsh conditions. Single-component design or optimized modules with standard mounting solutions makes liquid lenses integrate effortlessly into a wide range of applications. Quality control of food and beverage, liquids and bottles, electronics such as PCBs, LEDs, and ICs, or entire CCM modules. Package sorting, box filling, or palletizing, barcode reading for logistics and retail, or robot vision for automation and smart manufacturing. No matter what your machine vision needs are, Optotune liquid lenses deliver blazing fast remote focus control, a wide working distance range, easy system integration, and long-term reliability. Are liquid lenses the right fit for your application? Let's find out together. Reach out to us at sales@optotune.com or fill out a contact form on our website. We'll get back to you within 24 hours. Optotune, your tunable optics and tailored optical solutions partner. Innovate, industrialize, and scale with us.